Look at that. Alright guys, today I'm doing a video that's outside for the second time. Right now, I'm showing you my outdoor siren right now, made by Bluetooth. This is going to be my siren test. It's a test. I don't know if people are going to hear this and say, "Oh, tornado!" but take cover. But that's not going to happen because it's going to happen right here in Carlton Street with our friends here. I don't think they're going to think that's a tornado. They think there's going to be a tornado. They think that's going to be a tornado. Or that's going to be a tornado. Or that would be a tornado. Y'all would think it's going to be a tornado. Okay, let's just stop that. So the covers, I'm going to go here. Okay, there's the ending.